Okay, it's April 29th. It's been almost 5 months since I cut down the tree and took it through the entire process here. It weighs just under 800 grams right now. Stopped losing weight, so I'm gonna steam it, bend it, straighten it out a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and bring it to a full tiller here soon. Okay, that's a little past dips. It's touching my little marker right there, and we'll let it cool and come back to it. Straightened out my bow. Here's the top limb. If you look down it. Now for the tiller, I made a little tiller block here. Should work pretty well. Okay, here we are. It is late May, and I am done tillering. Pretty satisfied with it. My first go at it. I think I got about a 7-inch brace height right there. I'm just at 40 pounds after I let it dry out after steaming it and fixing it. Yeah, that's about perfect. Got a little bit of string follow, so I'm actually going to toast the belly of the bow here, like really toast it. So that should seal some of those resins and stiffen them up and make it a little higher in poundage. bow is now 69 inches with the reflexed tips. It's reading about 45 pounds right now. And yeah, it shoots faster, definitely shoots faster. I flung a couple arrows out of it with this thing, but you can tell. Here's my 2018 flat bow. It is now early November, and I've probably put close to 500 shots through it, and it's still holding up really good. I got some B30 string on it, a couple Beaver silencers on it, and some leather on the handle, but overall, not too bad for a first self bow. Pretty stoked on it. Pulls about 42 pounds at a 30.5-inch draw, and I'm shooting a 300 spine arrow with a 200 grain field point on the end, which seems to balance out right, flies pretty well. So all in all, I don't know if I'll be hunting with this, maybe it's a small game. 42 is enough legally in Colorado to hunt big game, but I'm going to continue to build a couple other bows here soon and work my way up to maybe about 55. So.